Hello everyone, welcome back. If you are Instagram user and you are facing a problem, sorry, there was a problem with your request on iPhone and iPad, then do the following step. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start, please do like, share and subscribe. First of all, let me explain why you get this error. Number 1, if your account is suspended. Number 2, internet issue. Number 3, username or password is incorrect. If none of these, then do the following step. First, you are going to launch any browser and search for Instagram and try to log in there. If you are logged in there, then back to the home screen, launch settings. Here we have to tap on journal and tap soft update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version if available. Then tap and hold the App Store. Here we are going to tap on updates and check the list is there is any update available for Instagram. If there is, then update the Instagram app also. Now in the end, 2 step more. Force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. And launch settings, journal, transfer reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Now put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.